Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing the Pandango panda kit, which makes the Pandango. And I'm really excited to do this one because I've always thought it was super cute. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm done, and my panda looks super derpy. It certainly does not look as pretty as some of the other ones that I have seen, but I think he'll still taste equally delicious. So I'm gonna try it first by itself, and see what it tastes like. So, oh no, he's gone! But as far as taste goes, to be honest, it doesn't really taste like anything. It actually tastes pretty bland. It's just kind of like a white mush that's got a little bit of a sweetness to it. So I'm gonna try it with the sauce now. The sauce is super interesting. It has like a honey type flavor to it, but then it also has this like hint of soy sauce, which is really, really, really strange. I don't know, it's really weird. It definitely, I'm getting like a really faint hint of soy, and then it's sweet like honey. So yeah, I don't know. I'm not really sure how I feel about this kit. Like, it's really different. I was expecting it to be a lot more sweet. I think it's worth checking out to see if, you might like it, but otherwise I don't know. It was a little bit boring as far as taste goes, but it was fun to make. So anyways, I hope you guys all enjoy this video. I'll be back here soon with some more candies and other videos, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.